Engineering. It can change the world. It goes beyond materials, tools, and calculations. It's about questioning what's here and imagining what is not. It's to fight for progress, turning knowledge into value, and never settling for good enough. It brings expertise together. It challenges you to take unknown paths and make unexpected turns, to move forward and to keep going. It turns hours into milliseconds, blunt tools into sharp scalpels, and complex processes into a synchronized clockwork. Engineering is to rethink, redesign, and redefine. To understand what is around the corner and to figure out what's possible to achieve. Together, we always push for progress. Together, we shape the future of manufacturing.